God share this beauty in different way. He share am.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you join the Denge post for YouTube, or you dey watch what church you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today we want to talk about ladies when be say that they go dey change their body. They no wan leave their body the way God take create them. You know, last year, I think so, early last year, one lady die when be say she go do this thing, surgery. Then she no fit survive by saying too fat, and this lady not really fat. She go remove some kind things for her body. Thing e no stop, people really dey do am. I no really dey against people when e be say dem wan make dem fine, or dem wan make dem make themselves to be beautiful, but make we try to remember say everybody beautiful in his own way. God create us in a special way wey be say this beauty is share out for everybody. Nobody ugly. You understand? Everybody is beautiful. Nobody really dey ugly. But some people, inferiority complex, may I not cut my tongue, dey worry some people. They feel say dem no fine reach, they feel say they be like this, they feel say they be like that, then they go change their body. And forget say doctor will never tell you the disadvantage or the consequences, may I not cut tongue, of this thing wey you wan do, so how e go be later, they will not tell you. I try to bring this topic come because another thing still happen again. In short, two just happen at a time. Last week, one happen when be say breast, oh na she go do. At the end, young lady, she spend a lot of money. She spend money put. Then when I listen to her, then we'll come back.
My name is Vic, also known as Sunshine. I'm the lady that had the liposuction from MedContel, Dr. Anu. If I transfer to my breast, which I paid the sum of 1.650. Ever since then, I've been having so many complications, which I tried to reach her. She put me on Rezafin injection for 2 weeks. And then after 2 weeks again, I left breast, started showing reddish shine, and I tried to contact her again. She put me on the Rezafin injection for 2 weeks. After taking the Rezafin, the red sign keeps coming back again. I went for good. They said it was an abscess, which is this my left breast. They drained it off and I went home. I was thinking it was settled there. In a month, it came back again. I went back to the same hospital. They drained it again. Then after, my right breast started becoming reddish again. That is when I went to another hospital. And I had a scan there. They say they have multiple abscess on my two breasts, that I have to drain it again. Because I had no money and really spent all my money on this.
Okay, una don lis ten to her. She spend money wey go reach her take do better thing. Then she spend for just to get big this thing like this. And people wey even still get am say they complain say e too much. You understand? Some people not be like me, I get am, no dey complain say e too much, because na the way God take create me. God know why he still create me like that. God get reason. Now me even can't know the value of this thing. True to God, I don't know the value. Because the time when they grow, they come, they laugh me. Hey, over syllabus. If I all come down for tithes, now some people go, they look me, over syllabus. I dey shame somehow. The thing what they surprise me now, say now people they go, they use money, use their hard-earned money they buy. What is that they laugh me that time? Yes, when I dey young, I mean when I dey my early 20s, 18, 19, 16. I think I'm from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 something, my early young age. This thing not the rain that time now. Breast not the rain that time. Anybody get big breast now, over syllabus that they call it that time. I know how they laugh me that time. That they call me over syllabus. Because, but me surprised say now somebody they use all the money they go why even get am. They spend money to get am. The thing they surprise me. Say God, you are great. You understand? Even that time self, I'll go meet my mommy, I'll dey cry, say, mommy, that they laugh me, they laugh me. Mama will say, don't worry. You fine. They jealousy you, they not they laugh you. I'll say, no, boys go laugh me, girls go laugh me at that time. But now, people they spend millions to get them. You see, as if that time they regret, they cry, say, God, I not need that. See, now they enjoy now because why I say they enjoy now because I know say many people they spend money, many people want get them. You understand? You know they fail. That's a be, now say it be. That's the gift of God. God bless us in our own special way. It get the way God take bless everybody. Nobody ugly. About one of our sister again. That one a backyard he go do. He go to backyard. If you see the way the thing be, not be waiting the fit talk. In short, make I play the voice record because YouTube not go allow this video. I go play the voice record. If I fit put the link to the video, I will try to put am for my description box or for the comment section so that if you click the link, it go carry you go there. But if you click the link, it not carry you go there. I will give you number when you will call later. So that you will call this number. This our two sisters, they volunteer say anybody need the video, they give them. So I will call the two numbers for you. But before I call the two numbers, make I play the voice record, make una sing.
By the time all these ones come out now, another kidney dish. The yellow one, that yellow one. And these things, they are important to they don't come out, they will just keep popping out in other areas.
Okay, my people, now listen to avoid even when they press down. This one where they tell you so na backyard. You say the way God take create the backyard, he say e no reach. Now she can't go do one. So the thing now come swell up, pause, they come out. So that they press and if you see what they come out, in short, go and watch it. She they shout that they tell her pele. They give her work and she give herself work. At least if you want to make yourself beautiful, there are so many ways you can make yourself beautiful. If you buy better cream, you cream yourself, look good, maintain yourself. They not say make person not maintain yourself. But wetin God already create, you say you want comot or you want add to it. God talk am o. He say wetin he don create, he say make anybody no add or remove. Leave am like that. But you can maintain it. But most of our sisters, they no want. They don't want that curve back. So people get her naturally, they maintain her, it can't make her curve well. Why some they say no, that artificial what they define. And what if they lead them? Why they do this video? They do this video for people when never do. Not just try. Because they will not tell you the consequences. They will not tell you how it they be. You only see they say they wear clothes, they fight, they go. You go they jealousy them. They not go tell you they are mala and akasa and mala na gidi when they chop for side body. They will lead you into it because they don't want to suffer alone. So if you not say, and this kind of people at the end to get husband, I believe say go hard them. Why I thought say I believe say go hard? They get one Italian woman when we say now lips, it say like our black hair. She go do that big lips when they do because she say like all this our big African lips. No, so you both know they get on. You can't go do her. One day she did stage when her own karakwa. Now they come to the pack her for her. It just this stage live. People they look her. And then they take pack her for her. News scanner that year for this Italy. She and her husband they not there again. Why? Because when the man marry her, he marry her the way she be. When she say she want to, probably the man allow her do her, or maybe she used stubbornness say do her not there. But at the end, when we say the result don't they come, the man he not do again. The man beg Johnson because what it be the form without say mechonu not there. Before you and your husband go start the reggae, start the blues. Now mechonu be the first thing to start. Now the oromikoko go take continue. You understand? So that lips e not there. Where the one for start, you can't one before you can't two now. You just enter to bra. It's not possible now. But the time the man comes say the thing you know fi mechonu. Then he leave the marriage because of that. And the man talk and so you know the lie. He talk and because of that, because the problem of the math come too much. Every day hospital money. Even though say you get money not be said when they throw away for ground like that because to get time not easy. Money, as soon as they spend money, the man come out. So this one, all this, no, they learn from all these things. Say, be yourself, be who you are. Not look person say, oh, this one be like this, that one be like that. You want be like that. As you see me, so I not be the slim type. I see they talk on. No, I be the horrible. I know the shame. I know the shame. I not feel go come say I want to turn myself like this. Because I say I slim one slim person when they fear me self one come slim like that. It not dey my DNA. If I say I want slim like that, let me say I want damage some kind things for my body. The most important thing is for you to be healthy. That is the most important thing. When I try that I say no, I must they say now so this herbal medicine, now so this one, my sister. When I take her, I know what I get that period. But thank God, I quick take one. Before you come out for 2 hands. If not today, I for not get pikin. I for not get children today. I quickly tackle am. Because I can't notice and say, okay, nothing goes for nothing. The most important thing is exercise, eat good food, maintain your diet. It's okay. All this when una they swallow, they take, say una want slim. Especially if you never felt born, even though say you don't feel born, remember say, this body when you see all these things that they go dry. Just imagine person when they take lime every day. Say you want slim. Carry razor blade as razor blade na iron. Put her inside lime. You see the way go take wash and go white. Remember say your stomach, what if they go damage for inside? What could they reason all these things? So if they take all these things, all this one still join all those cocoa or then when they take. Oh, join. Try to maintain yourself. As I be na backyard, I don't get. I know the jealous person when you get. I feel you're jealous in a good way. Say, oh, see your backyard, you fine. Oh, I could use that the pepper. Now say rich. I don't wish say, God, why you not give me? No, because I'm already beautiful in my own way. You understand? So people when get backyard, God bless them with backyard. That's why you say, I say God they share them. Hardly before you see person when get backyard can't get breast. Not be saying no deal. He hard. They hard. He said 100, maybe not 2. Say he can't get backyard where he can't see get breast journal. They hard. Either you get this one or you get that one. Why so not just get at all? But they'll slim finish, they'll fine finish. You know me say they're not fine. They fine. My friend, now I don't tell this story before now. My friend, she get backyard, me get front. She say like she want go do front. And I say this front where you want to so how they say they do one. He say na pump. Now they pop. This one in Nigeria, not be Europe. I they talk about 15-20 years ago. I said they go pump. He say yes. Now I say make she not do. She not hear. He say I mean I not talk count. The way they say. Now I say what you they see? I say you know she say they laugh me. He say me I forget to. Say like am na so small pikin o na so e go do I no know where e for do I no follow am go. The next day I say they come our house now. I say sure you don't go do this thing. He say don't go do am. Do you know that na only God I know that this my friend still dey alive till today. I don't know, only God. I dey pray make she dey alive. When I come Europe, when I go visiting for Nigeria, oh my God, when I see this my friend, and so she be dry finish. What did they finish am? And what did she go do? Then they finish am. They will not tell you the consequences when they for inside. They will not tell you the disadvantage when they for inside. Even people when you get money, when you say that they do this thing, they spend. Their money will still sustain the small, but you know me say the thing no go come affect them later. No matter you go get a time when you say money no go fit suffer again. If you spend, later money no go suffer again. So not just think am for your head. Say you want to do this kind of thing, you want to do the front so or on a back home. Anyhow you be, God create us in a special way. In a special way. You will see some people when people say they're not fine. They will walk. You go they look, they say they will walk. Inside their hearts, they're fine. Their skin, they glitter. Go watch. Maybe you don't tell you say, why you know your cut here throw away? So that the remaining of your body to fine. Now so they be. God share this beauty in different way. He share them. As I be so I get stomach. I'll just go carry myself. Even though say the money if they throw away. I not see what I want use money do. I will not try it. Of course I won't go do flat. Oh, no, it's happen. She don't be first lady. She be first lady that time now. Not be belle say one go do when be say what I put on for Spain. You understand? All these things, be yourself. Be who you are. Anyhow you be, carry yourself. The way you get to say you not fine, it gave you for fine. You will not know. You don't find for one place where be say any man near her, he don't see the beauty when they inside her. So men say na the ample. Say all those kind of people when they feel say they're ugly. He say their ample, now so it be. Hey, they will come for me for this topic. They say their ample. Kokoroko kakaraka. They say if you go there, it be like honey. You see what these ladies they pass through now. And many people see they prepare to want to do this thing. Please, I beg you, share this video. So that if any lady day when they prepare, say he want go do front, so I been a back home, he want to make it watch, make it listen or watch this video. I believe say this video will fit change the person mind. Because that person go just stay, never die, body go dey rotty. They see that kind of thing. All these people when you get the natural backyard. Now, so now my little message when I get be this for today. So I beg you, please, as a young lady, don't do it. Please advise your sisters. Share this video to any ladies or anybody, mother, brother, sister, cousin, anybody, so they will learn, they will talk to anybody that is close to them that they should not do this thing, that the repercussion is very bad. So I would, let me drop the number to. So if you know you want to watch the video so that you understand what I'm trying to say here, you can just dial any of this number. They will send the video to you. These two number here, either this from Germany, the other one from Italy, they will send the video to you. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Please Let's try and maintain ourselves and forget about all these mostly all these artificial things that will come and affect us later. I'm not saying you should not do anything that will make you happy, but remember that in anything you do, there is always disadvantage, and think about the disadvantage on it, that this disadvantage may cause or react another thing in your body. So my lovely people, let me stop this video from here. Thank you guys for watching. If you are watching my video for the first time, or you have been watching, you have not subscribed, please use this opportunity to hit the red button and click on the notification bell so you can know anytime we put video for here. And again, please share this video. If you are sharing our video, you are supporting us, and Almighty God will send someone that will support you and your family in anything that you do in your life. Thank you so much. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.